The average person spends almost 4 hours per day on their phone, and one study has shown that almost half of that time is spent on any of the social media apps or websites. That amounts to an entire day per week that we are awake spent on social media. Those are some insane numbers and a scary insight into the world's obsession with sharing their daily breakfast and playing words with friends. People are so addicted that a phobia has been coined for it. Nomophobia is the fear of being without your mobile or not being able to use it. It's no wonder marketers from around the globe hail social media as one of the most effective tools in their content marketing arsenal. However, to be successful, due to the sheer amount of options nowadays, it's important to understand your target audience and their social media habits. Hey guys, it's Hannah here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Social media marketing is best described as creating tailored content for each individual social media platform in order to drive engagement, reach a broader network, and share with your target audience. To break that down, your content should be tailored for each individual social media platform to give it the best chance of success. Text in the form of a blog wouldn't succeed on a video sharing platform such as YouTube, and your live stream won't work on Wikipedia. For every social media campaign and strategy, the goal will differ. However, part of it will always be to have your content seen. Your content should drive engagement and extend your brand's reach by having users sharing that content. With so many social media platforms to choose from, how do you know which one is the right one for you? Once you've worked that out, how do you know which content will perform the best? Let's have a look at the top platforms and the types of content to use on each of them. Starting with Facebook. There is approximately 2.38 billion monthly active users as of April 2019. If you can't find a single member of your audience on Facebook, you're running in a serious niche market. Facebook is best used as the social home for your business online. Customers can interact with you directly via chat, leave comments on your posts, or share your valuable content. It's important to keep your Facebook page up to date with a variety of content and to engage your customers when appropriate. The best content includes video content, GIFs, questions or polls, photos, offers and deals, share blog and news articles, real-time stories, automated messenger chatbots, or user-generated content. If you're looking for some inspiration, I'd recommend you check out Facebook themselves, because who would know better than them, Red Bull, Starbucks, Nike, or BuzzFeed Tasty. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest videos delivered every week straight to your inbox. Now let's look at YouTube. Boasting 1.9 billion active users monthly, it is the second most active social media channel. YouTube is the place to post longer videos you couldn't post elsewhere. While it is no easy feat to go viral overnight, if you are lucky enough and your content is original, YouTube will pay you royalties as compensation for your views. Not only are you spreading brand awareness, but you're getting paid to do so. It's important to understand what type of video content your audience engages with. No point posting makeup tutorials if you're a car repair mechanic. However, how to change your car tire could be a more suitable tutorial to upload. Try content like tutorials, how-tos, live streams, compilations, vlogging, music videos, or pranks and comedy videos. I'd recommend you check out channels like 5-Minute Crafts, Tasty, Red Bull, or Lego for some inspiration. Next up, Instagram. With 1 billion monthly active users on Instagram, it comes in at number 3 of the most used social media platforms. Instagram is predominantly for imagery and video. While you can post large captions on your content, we wouldn't recommend writing 1,000-word essays under every post. Who's got the time or eyesight to read ridiculously long captions while you're scrolling mindlessly on Instagram? Half the time, I've barely seen the image and I've already liked it or scrolled past. Use Instagram as a tool to give your brand personality, show your product in real life, and tell captivating stories using content to engage your followers. The best content for Instagram are still images, videos, tutorials or live videos, real-time stories, highlight stories on your profile, and boomerangs, either as a story or as a post. Some of the best brands on Instagram are Aldi UK, NBA, Starbucks again, Ben & Jerry's, Nike again, and Australia. Next, let's have a look at Twitter. Twitter is the perfect platform for real-time content and engaging in conversations with people on a global scale. Tweets are immediate and are restricted to 280 characters, which actually isn't a bad thing. It means you can have quick and simple conversations rather than getting bogged down in word-heavy content. Twitter is a place for opinions, not sales pitches. People want to engage with brands, not be sold something, so start meaningful conversations with your followers if you want to see success. Be sure to include hashtags so that like-minded people can find your content. Best content for Twitter. Text in the form of jokes, stories, or conversation starters, limited to 280 characters, of course. Images or GIFs, questions or polls, or live blogging and commentary of an event. For some inspiration, check out Wendy's, Budweiser USA, Innocent Drinks, Taco Bell, or HelloFresh. Last of all, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is social media for professionals, where white-collared professionals share their wins, knowledge, job opportunities, and network with other professionals. It's the financial review of the social media world, and just like the newspaper, your content should be more formal than what you'd share on Twitter or Facebook. The best content for LinkedIn is contract wins for your business, award nights, etc., big moments in your industry, trade shows, etc., or informative articles and blogs. Check out, for some inspiration, Hayes, Bill Gates, Ripple, Catherine Minshew, Lemonade, or SpaceX. If your content engages with your audience, you're on the right path, but that doesn't mean you can just shut up shop. Social media marketing takes time, planning, and patience. Posting for the sake of it is not effective marketing. Keeping your content relevant and posting at appropriate times are the key to a successful plan. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know who needs a hand with social media. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighbourhood does. Well, that's it from me. Happy marketing.